How you can sell cryptocurrency on Binance. So first of all, click on trade on the bottom, and then you just need to select the specific coin or specific coin pair that you want to sell. In this case, I have BTC and I want to sell it as USDT. So I will simply go for it, and then I will simply click on the amount, and then you just need to enter the amount. In this case, I have about 9 USDT worth of Bitcoin, so I will simply type something like this. Once I have done this, I will simply click on the price on the top, as I want to sell it on around 2 or 400, just like so. Then I will click on sell BTC. After creating that specific order, the price just goes up to 400 and my BTC was sold instantly, and my total balance has been increased. So this is the way of how you can sell your cryptocurrency on Binance.